Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. If there is one street in the world that defines a vacation state of mind, it is Ocean Drive. While the architecture is a skeleton of the street, the restaurants and bars are its heartbeat. As you walk along this iconic strip, you aren't just passing places to eat, you're walking through a continuous open-air celebration. The sidewalk cafes of Ocean Drive are world famous for their see and be seen atmosphere, where the boundary between the restaurant and the vibrant street life completely disappears. The culinary scene here is as diverse as Miami itself. You'll find everything from high-end seafood and classic Italian fare to massive oversized cocktails that have become a viral sensation. These legendary Fishbowl margaritas, often topped with two inverted beer bowls, are a staple of the Ocean Drive experience. Whether you're at News Cafe, the historic spot that helped spark the South Beach revival, or the high-energy Mango's Tropical Cafe with its live Latin dances, the focus here is always on entertainment. One of the unique features of dining on Ocean Drive is the front row seat provided by the sidewalk seating. The tables are arranged so that every diner has a view of the passing parade of luxury cars, street performers, and travelers from every corner of the globe. It is the ultimate people-watching destination. Many of these establishments are housed within the ground floors of historic Art Deco hotels, meaning you can enjoy a meal under the same neon glow that have lit up the street for nearly a century. But it's not just about food, it's about the rhythm. During the day, the vibe is sun-drenched and relaxed, with brunch crowds enjoying the ocean breeze. As the sun sets, the energy shifts. The music gets louder, the neon lights flicker on, and the bars transform into the epicenter of Miami's nightlife. It's a place where a quiet dinner can easily turn into an all-night party. For Baz Travels, the restaurants and bars of Ocean Drive represent the social soul of the city. They reflect Miami's international flavor and its unapologetic love for the grand gesture. It's a place that invites you to slow down, grab a seat, and become part of the spectacle. Whether you're here for a 5-course meal or just a cold drink to escape the heat, Ocean Drive serves up the experience that you can't simply find anywhere else.
TikTok. Oh, no, I said
Deja de mentirte. La foto que subiste con el mismo.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.